All right, guys, we're gonna be making a high protein crunch wrap. Yeah, let's get started. So first off, what I got is some lean ground beef that I cooked off earlier. That's in here. And this is 93.7. I just cooked it up with like some chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, sea salt, black pepper. That's it. I'm going to get this pan going because this is what we are going to toast the crunch wraps in. We got some Sonora style tortillas. Those are really big tortillas. That's going to put the tostada in there. I'm going to kind of show you guys how to assemble them. This is going to be really easy. We're also going to use some of this salsa con queso. This is 35 calories for 2 tablespoons. So, not bad. And then we got some tostadas right here. These tostadas are only 70 calories a pop. So these are pretty sweet. Okay, boom. So first thing we want to do, we grab our tortillas. And we want to lay it out flat. And then we want to grab one tostada, our ground beef mixture. We're not going to heat this up. We could heat it up if we wanted to. We're not going to. I'm going to make 2 of these. So boom, I'm going to use half of the ground beef in this. Then we go tostada on top. Then we do the sour cream mixture. I'm going to show you guys how we made that. So this is the sour cream mixture. All this is light sour cream and lime juice and water and sea salt. And then you just mix it up until it kind of has like a more liquidy texture. And then you're going to put that, boom, spread it out on top here. A little bit of the nacho cheese sauce. I'm only going to do a little bit. I don't know. I don't want that much on mine. That's good for mine. And then we're going to do the lettuce and tomatoes on top. I only have half a tomato, which sucks, but is what it is. We got iceberg lettuce. I feel like if you want to make like a Taco Bell menu item, you gotta do the iceberg lettuce. Okay, boom. Got the iceberg lettuce. We got the tomatoes. Now we gotta wrap it up. This is the part that is the most important. So we're gonna go one side in, one side in, one side in, rotate, rotate, and rotate. So that's one right there. And then we're gonna put it in the pan just to seal it up real quick. You want to put it on like low heat though. You don't want this to burn. Then we're gonna make our next one. Marissa is vegetarian, so we're gonna make her a vegetarian version. So boom, she has some sweet potato, corn, black bean thing that she cooked up herself. Looks pretty good. We're gonna put some of that down first. Boom. On hers, I'm gonna put the nacho cheese. This is what I meant to do with mine anyways. Put the nacho cheese down first. She probably wants more of this than I do, so give her a little more. And then tostada on top. Sour cream mixture. Hers broke. I know, fail. Such a failure. If you don't want it, I'll eat it.
No.
Okay. Alright, then go lettuce and tomatoes.
You're gonna want my emojis. How good it is.
Okay, so boom, fold it. Fold it. Fold it. Obviously hers is not going to be high in protein because there's no real protein source in this one, but it's still going to be delicious. Okay, boom. Look at that. Golden brown. That's what we want. So once this is done cooking, I'll cook up Marissa's. Then I'll do the cross section. I'll cut it up, and then we'll do a taste test. Woo-wee! Look at that. That's gorgeous. Okay. You know what's crazy is, like, I never really ate Taco Bell that much growing up as a kid. Like, we never ate fast food. My parents never really took us to eat fast food. But when I would hang out with my friend Sean, his family ate a lot of fast food. And so the first time I ever tried Taco Bell was coming home from Boy Scouts. And we went to Taco Bell. And I thought it was like the greatest thing in the world. I was like, this is amazing. I want to eat this for every single meal. And from then on, I was like addicted to Taco Bell. And I would convince my mom to take me to Taco Bell at least like once a week. I would convince her to take me to Taco Bell. And I would actually I know my order, I remember it. I would get a Supreme Chalupa, and then I would get like 2 crispy ground beef tacos, just regular ground beef tacos. And that was my order. And I pretty much got the same thing every single time, and it was amazing. All right, so we got the reveal here. This one is the vegetarian one. That's the sweet potatoes, beans, corn, and then all the Crunchwrap ingredients. We got that one here. Let's plate it up nice. There we go. Look at that. Boom. Okay. And then we got mine. It's not going to be as pretty, but it is going to be equally as delicious. And mine's going to be high in protein, so I have a feeling I'm probably going to like hers. Mm-hmm. I'm definitely trying yours. Okay. So we got our 2 Crunchwraps here. And then I couldn't find Taco Bell hot sauce, but I got some Chipotle Tabasco. This stuff is amazing. So let's do a quick taste test. You want to try yours? Mm-hmm. Come here. Mm-hmm. You want to try this? It's not hot. It's just like smoky.
Okay. Oh yeah, mine's delicious.
Mmm. Make this. If you need to, if you don't have the calories, make it with like a low carb tortilla. That's what I've been doing most of the time. It is nice to do the big tortillas because then you don't have to use like 2 of the low carb tortillas. I'll show you guys how I make that maybe in another video. But yeah. Ooh, 10 out of 10.
Try mine.
We go to a food truck that's vegan sometimes. I've only gone to it once, but Marissa goes to it, and they have these Crunchwraps there that are like, they're crazy good. Mmm. Oh, it's good. I like mine better. I think because mine has like more of the seasonings.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is banging. Let me figure out how many calories this is. The majority of the calories are gonna come from the tortilla. These big tortillas are 350 calories. So it's kind of a lot, but that's all good. So, and then we're gonna do, it's not gonna be as high in protein as per calorie, if that makes sense. Like, you could definitely make this more macro friendly, but I've got the calories to play with, so I just kind of did it that way. The nacho cheese sauce. Alright, 40 calories for that. And then the light sour cream, I use like probably less than 2 tablespoons because I added water to it. I'm going to say like 1 tablespoon of that. Alright, so it's 660 calories, 33 grams of protein. So, not great macros, but again, it was because we used such a big tortilla. If you want to make this more calorie friendly, you could use these tortillas. These are extreme wellness wraps. And you could use, I was using fat-free mozzarella cheese in mine because it's super high in protein. So, yeah, that's some tips on how you can make it better. Let me know in the comments what I should make next. And drop this video a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm going to be doing more vlog style videos like this with less editing. I feel like it'll help me be more consistent with YouTube. So, more videos coming soon, hopefully. Bye.